We're going to talk about rounding to the nearest 10 with 3-digit numbers. Just like before, the first thing I want to do is underline the tens place. The underlined digit will either do one of two things. It'll either stay the same or it will go up. Then I circle the digit next to the underlined digit. The circled digit tells the underlined digit what to do. If the circled digit is a 5 or greater, the underlined digit will go up. If the circled digit is a 4 or lower, the underlined digit will stay the same. So the circled digit tells that underlined digit what to do. In this case, my circled digit is a 4 or lower, so my underlined digit stays the same. It will stay a 7. Everything ahead of the underlined digit stays the same. In this case, my underlined digit stays a 7, and everything after the underlined digit becomes a 0. 172 rounded to the nearest 10 is 170. Now I'm rounding 358 to the nearest 10. First thing I do is underline the tens place because I'm rounding to the nearest 10. And the underlined digit will either stay the same or it will go up. And I circle the digit next to the underlined digit because the circled digit will tell the underlined digit what to do. If the circled digit is a 5 or higher, the underlined digit goes up. If the circled digit is a 4 or lower, the underlined digit stays the same. In this case, the underlined digit goes up to a 6. So everything ahead of the underlined digit stays the same. The underlined digit becomes a 6 in this case, and everything after the underlined digit becomes a 0. 358 rounded to the nearest 10 is 360. Next one, 564 rounded to the nearest 10. I underline the tens place because that's what I'm rounding to. The underlined digit will either stay the same or it will go up. I circle the digit next to the underlined digit because that's the boss of the underlined digit. It tells the underlined digit what to do. And this circled digit is a 4 or lower. This circled digit is a 4 or lower, so my underlined digit stays the same. Everything ahead of the underlined digit remains the same. My underlined digit's a 6 in this case, and everything after the underlined digit turns into a 0. And last one, 397, rounded to the nearest 10. I underline the tens place. That digit will either stay the same or go up. I circle the digit next to the underlined digit. That's the boss of the underlined digit. It tells the underlined digit what to do. If it's a 5 or higher, the underlined digit goes up. If it's a 4 or lower, the underlined digit stays the same. In this case, it's a 5 or higher, so the underlined digit goes up to a 10. Now, I can't fit 2 digits in the tens place. So I have to take, just like when I add, I have to take that 1 and carry it over to the next one. So that 3 will become a 4 since I carried that 1 over. So my hundreds place becomes a 4, and I have just the 0 left in the tens place, so my tens place becomes a 0, and everything after the underlined digit always turns into a 0. So 397 rounded to the nearest 10 is 400.